Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat device ban, which means if you try to log in into your Snapchat account and you see an error related to device ban, then how you can fix that. There are many reasons for that. One of the reason is that you have used your account in many devices of Snapchat, so you have to make sure that you use only one account and only on one device. If you log in your account more than one device, then you find this kind of error. If you are using iPhone or iOS device, the process is same, which means you can simply fix this error on iPhone and Android also. For this you have to simply watch this video completely. The first thing you have to do is you have to simply open a browser, which may be Chrome, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport, and here you have to simply click on Snapchat Sport section, and here you will find many options. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account is compromised, and after that I will tell you the next thing. What you have to do is after that you have to simply find this kind of error, and here you have to click on I can't access my account, and here you have to click on I see an error when I log in, because when you try to log in, this kind of error occurs of device ban. And after selecting that, you have to scroll it down, and if you find any one of the error, then you can select that. And if you find a device ban, and here you have to simply click on still need help, and you have to click on yes, and here you will find a new form to fill. Here you have to provide here your username of the Snapchat, and here you have to simply provide here your email which you have connected to Snapchat. If you have not connected, you can simply provide any email you have, and here you have to simply provide here mobile number which is connected to Snapchat, and here you have to simply select device, which means you have to tell about the device name, brand, model, and model series, etc. And after that, here you have to simply provide here the date that when you are having this issue, and moreover you can also attach the screenshot of the problem so that they can access you in a better way. And here you have to simply explain the problem to Snapchat support team. Now the Snapchat team, when I try to log in, I find error of device ban or any kind of error, you can simply explain that, and after that you have to simply fill the captcha, and you have to simply click on submit, and your report will be submitted to Snapchat team, and within few hours Snapchat team will connect to you and ask about the matter in detail, and they will solve your problem as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.